आज का सुबह का सच. Now, for the last 2-3 days, the trending news have been कि government ने 59 Chinese apps block कर दिए. Now today, I'm not going to talk about that. Rather, I'm going to talk about a tweet banter between a Chinese businessman and Mr. Anand Mahendra. The Chinese businessman quotes and tweets that, well, even if Chinese people want to boycott Indian products, they can't really find many Indian goods. Indian friends, you need to have some things that are more important than nationalism. In which Mr. Anand Mahendra replies, I suspect this comment might be the most effective and motivating rallying cry that India Inc. has ever received. Thank you for the provocation. We will rise to the occasion. Now, isn't it a befitting reply to a person who's trying to run down the Indian talent? Now, my question today is that does India lack talent? No, it doesn't. Now, we have been hearing on news, or suddenly one of the days the news comes up that the IIT Chennai has developed a kind of a mechanism wherein you can save the electricity on the street lights. And about 30% of the electricity can be saved from the street lights depending on the movement, and it can be redirected to where the electricity is needed. Now, why doesn't these kind of innovation come into the reality where it can be used in day-to-day life? Why is it that the cheap, cost-effective innovations from the students, which may be from a district or a city or state, doesn't come into the global innovation? Why is it restricted to only student innovation, where more than IIT, there are a lot of other colleges also, the innovation goes on. I know certain colleges in South, myself in Madurai, there are more innovations which has gone. I mean, there was one student who has developed a technology to run a auto or a scooter with salt water. Now, it's been 10 years that the innovation has not seen in day-to-day use. Why is it that it is only on a quality purpose, not on a quantity purpose? If the cost is reduced through that innovation, as compared to other countries, the patents which are filed is very, very less from India. But even if the trend has increased, the patent which has registered doesn't come to the global innovation platform. Or some other companies, like some other countries buy that innovation or patent from our Indian people because they don't get limelight which they are expected to. So they are bound to sell the patent to other countries who develop the patent. There are many Indian students and many Indian leaders also who have gone out of a country for the innovation. So my take to this is that India has innovation. What we need is a systematic, bureaucratic way of getting that talent to the global innovation. If that happens, then we don't need this 59-60 apps. Rather than only apps, India can develop thousands of innovation every day with the talent which we have. So I urge companies, people, bureaucrats, officers, everyone, government, I'm sure they're working on, and I'm sure they have their own way of doing it. But what personally I feel that we should have a fast track way of getting these patents, innovations to limelight, to get that kind of talent which we want, rather than the talent going out of the country to give these patents or innovations to other countries. Have a nice day.